is without no heat, without no product, and your hair is healthy. This is my end of day hair. I did my hair at 4 a.m. this morning with no heat, and it is 7 p.m. I know how I do my hair. Definitely keep on watching. First up, you need an unbrush. This is gonna help you detangle your hair easily. Look at how it detangles my hair without tugging on it, without ripping it. I'm gonna detangle your hair. Now that your hair is detangled, you go in with this. It's a really soft, almost like a towel blanket material. I will have it linked below so that way it's easy for you to find. I use this religiously every single night. I am not kidding. It's even. You're gonna place it here on both sides. It holds it in place, okay? So this is what it's looking like. And you're gonna separate your hair half this way, half the other way. I'm gonna grab the first piece, pull it back and tug it. And then you're gonna go back, grab hair, make sure you're pulling it tight. So you just wanna keep going, grabbing hair from the front, pulling it top, back, straight, and then grabbing hair from the back. I want it to be tight because the tighter it is, the tighter your curls are gonna be, and they're gonna last you all day without no heat. Side note, make sure your hair is super bone dry. Do not add any product to your hair. Don't add nothing. If your hair is slightly damp, it's not gonna work. Keep going until you get to the end, and you're gonna put a hair tie. I already finished this side, so I'm gonna do the opposite side. Take off the clip, and we're gonna go this way again, straight forward, back, straight back, grabbing hair from the back. Keep on swinging as you're pulling this to the front. You don't want it to be back here. It doesn't have to be perfect right here. That's gonna look a mess. That is fine. Just keep alternating, grabbing pieces from the back, pieces from the front, and you're gonna keep doing that. The thinner pieces, the better. Don't grab too much hair. The less pieces like this you get, the better that your hair is gonna hold throughout the day. Super tight. Make sure you're doing it super tight. Inside is always the tightest than the first side. So what I do, you can take this off and start all over and it'll look like that, but I don't like to do the extra work. So what I do is I twist it so it's even more tighter. I hold it and then I twist this as well and I put it back. This one that I already have twisted, I'm gonna pull it back too, and then you're gonna crisscross, bring it to the front, and you're gonna tie it. You don't want it too tight because then you're gonna have a headache. You wanna just loosen it up so it doesn't fall apart while you're sleeping. So this is what it looks like. And then I just put a bonnet, whatever bonnet I have. This one, it's reversible, black, and it's also red. And I also have a lime green one. So you could even put this back in the way, and then you put your hair bonnet. Hair is protected while you sleep, and I will come in the morning and show you the results. The next day, I already did my makeup. Let's take this off. Take the scrunchies off, unwind it. All right. Ooh, look at the curls. Curls. Look at the curls. It's my brush to like brush my hair down. Overnight curls with no heat. Hair shampoo, this is the one that I use. I forgot to show you guys, but I usually like to put it on at night. But if you forget, that's okay. You could put it in the morning. Everything will be linked down below, and that's how I do my hair.